In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way to add a support ticketing system to your site. For example, as you see, if the support team is online, then you can use the chat here. But if they are offline and you send your message, then the support ticket has been created and you can deal with it. It's a really simple setup, so if you're interested, then jump in. Now, in order to accomplish all that, I need to sign up to the service called Tidio, the one you see on the screen right now. So what's a Tidio? It's a simple, affordable and very capable customer relationship management tool. It offers you a combination of a live chat and chatbots. Basically, it's a solution for those people who want a straightforward way to engage with their customers on a website or maybe even a social network in order to increase sales, collect leads and deliver excellent customer service. If we open up the pricing, you'll see that you can start for free. It has a free plan, no credit card details required, and you can use it for unlimited time before you decide whether to upgrade to a plan that makes more sense for you. So basically, you can mix, match, upgrade or downgrade or change your plans at any time. If you take a look at the premium plans, take a look at the comparison table here and you'll see what is what. Now these are the official pricing plans. But if you take a look at the description of this video, there is a link. And if you're using this link, then you'll get Tidio for 20% off for all the premium plans. But pay attention that this special offer will only be applied when you purchase a plan using my link. So nice discount for you. I have been using Tidio for a couple of weeks now and I'm really pleased with it because it's easy to set up and easy to use, and also they have amazing customer support. And since good customer support is really important for me, I tested it a bit. That means I sent them a couple of questions and received answers within a couple of hours. So that's good. Okay, so let's get started. That means let's create an account here. If you have more than one site, then don't worry, later you can add them also. Let's get started. First, you can configure a live chat appearance. If you don't want to do that, then you can do it later. You can select your language. If you don't see your own language here, don't worry, you can add it also later. Let's continue. What's your main focus? Choose the one you like. I'm going to choose all 4. Number of support agents, for me it's 1. For you, it may be more. Industry, services, number of inquiries. I'm going to choose something. If you would like to set up your first chatbot, you can do it here. Choose the one you like the most. I'm going to select the first one here. Now you can choose how to connect your WordPress site, whether to use a code here. But if you're using WordPress, then choose the one here and click on continue. Once again, choose WordPress. And now I'm going to log into my site. I'm going to go to the plugins, add new, search for Tidio, this one here. As you see, more than 100,000 active installations and 5-star reviews. Once again, it's an awesome plugin. Let's install it, activate it. Now let's go to the Tidio chat here. Already have an account, log in. And now log in using the credentials you used for creating your account. Log in. Select the project. If you have more than one project, then you can select those here. Maybe you have more than one site, then all those sites are appearing here and you just select the integration. Since I'm using WooCommerce on this site, I'm going to also integrate WooCommerce. Approve. And done. Now if I open up my site, you'll see that chatbot is here, live chat also here. And I can start chatting. I'm going to introduce myself. Send and done. Now if I go to my Tidio panel, open up the chat, unassigned, then it's here. And I'm going to join the conversation. Easy peasy. Now in order to keep this tutorial short, I'm not going to go over all the Tidio settings because I have covered it in my 2 previous videos. In the first video, I introduced the chat box, and the second video is how to create a chat bot on your site. If you're interested, then take a look at the description of this video. I'm going to put the links to these videos in it. Now let's concentrate on the ticketing system. Sure, let's open up the settings, and there is a ticketing menu up here. Add a mailbox. You can choose whether to connect with your existing email or create a new email, which uses the Tidio XYZ domain. I'm going to use my existing email, add it here, click it next, then I'm going to verify it, and after that it will appear up here. Next, whether you would like to send your emails from your own email address, I have this one enabled. Enter your email, once again verify with the code they will send you. It will take 20 seconds to set it up. Next, I can set up the automatic response. For example, thank you for your email. We will contact you within 24 hours. And this is the email I received after creating a support ticket. And last one, filtered emails. You can create emails that you can use to filter out tickets you never want to see in your Tidio inbox based on the email address. If this is done, then basically nothing else here to configure. Just go to the inbox and you'll see all the unassigned tickets here. I'm going to open this one up. On the right side, I can see the information about the sender. I can assign this one to the team members. I can set the status, priority, and if the same customer has created tickets before or he or she has some chat history, then all the history will be displayed down below here. Now I can enter the ticket message or choose from the canned messages. And what are the canned responses? Basically, they are your email templates. You can create a new response here. For example, thank you for your support. Add tags. For example, hi, and save it. And now next time, if I want to use this message, I'm just gonna open it up, start typing, and there you go. This is a big time saver for you. Now I can submit it as pending or solved or open. Let's open it, send it. Ticket is moved to my open, that is here. And if I change the status to solved and choose yes, solve without notifying the customer, then it will be moved down below here. Simple yet effective, isn't it? And now, when I'm back online and visit the site, and this time this conversation appears not tickets, but under the live conversations. I can join the conversation, use the canned response, and so on. I can also set up the operating hours. Just open this one here, opening hours, and everything will be done automatically. That is, between those times I'm online, otherwise I appear offline, and instead of live conversation, you can open up the support ticket. One more thing, if for some reason during your live chat you are unable to solve the problem, then you can create a ticket from the chat. Just go here, add a new ticket, give it a title, for example, question about the order number, this or that, set the priority, assign the ticket, enter your message. You can set it as also as an internal note, submit as open, and now this one is here. Really easy, isn't it? And as I promised in the beginning of this video, it's the simplest way to add a support ticketing system on your site. You can use it as a chatbot, you can use it as a chat box, or a support ticketing system. Now, before you go, wait! If you find this tutorial helpful, then press thumbs up, this one here, and take a look at this side of the screen. It contains 2 good videos. I think you may find them useful. Meanwhile, take care. Bye.